Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix Bluetooth issue on iPhone after update iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. You have first solution. You have and on your Bluetooth on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on Bluetooth, you have off and then turn on. 2 or 3 times you have turn on and off on your iPhone of Bluetooth. If their first solution is not working, their second solution you have again the setting and then you have again open Bluetooth. So you have connected a device with another device. So you have simple, you have forget of this device you have connected. So then you have reconnect other device and the problem will fix. There are second solution is not working. The third solution you have restart your iPhone. So then press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and then your mobile is restart and then your problem will be fixed. If there are third solution is not working on your iPhone, their fourth solution you have reset network setting on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on general and then scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have click on reset and then you have click on reset network setting iPhone, given a passcode, then you have taken a passcode iPhone. So then only reset network setting on your iPhone, do not lose any data. So then fourth solution is not working. Fifth solution you have update software. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update. So install iOS latest version on your iPhone, so your mobile is available. So then you have must be installed on your iPhone. Then fifth solution is not working. There sixth solution reset all setting and then last solution you have again open the setting and again click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset, then you have click on reset all setting iPhone, given a passcode and then you have taken a passcode only. Do not lose any media, video or photo or any data. So only reset all setting of your iPhone. So then uh, hopefully and then solution is working on your iPhone. So hopefully 100% their solution is working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.